This is somebody wake surfing, and this is somebody wake surfing without the rope. In this video, I teach you how to wake surf without the rope. Hi, I'm Blake with the Bee Lake Days YouTube channel. I'm here to help you be a better boater. I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to wake surf without the rope. Tip number 1, your stance. Your feet should be a little bit wider than shoulder width apart and placed on the board in these general areas. Your shoulders should be closed to the wake like this, not open like this. You should move your toes closer to the toe edge of the board. Once you are up, you can crawl your feet like this so that you can get your feet into the correct spot.
Try to creep it forward. Good, like that, yeah.
Tip number 2, weight over your toes. Now everyone bends at the waist and puts their butt out like this. This doesn't work. Weight is still over your heels. Instead, you need to do a Michael Jackson lean like this. Sorry Gen Z, you won't understand the reference. Blame it on TikTok. One trick for this is to hold your backhand out in front of you towards the wave. This will actually change your weight so that it's over your toes without you even thinking about it. Tip number 3, weight on your front foot. Your front foot is your gas pedal. Lean on your front foot to go fast. Lean on your back foot to slow down. Starting out, you won't put enough weight on your front foot, so when you do, you'll zoom up to the boat. When you need to slow down, just put some weight on your back foot. When you need to speed up, put some weight on your front foot. One trick is to hold your front hand towards the boat like this. It gets your weight on your front foot without you even thinking about it. If you're getting value from this video, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the videos I put out every week. Tip number 4, location, location, location. You can be doing all the right things, but in the wrong location, and it just doesn't work. Here is the right location. There's a dark spot in the wave right here. You want to keep the board in that area. Too high, and there's no push. Too far out, and there's no push. Too far back, and you guessed it, no push. You want to keep the board in the sweet spot. Once you're comfortable hanging in the sweet spot, throw the rope. Number 5, practice, practice, practice. Who needs an excuse to get out on the lake more? You do. You're probably like this guy and asking, what is the correct way to drop and get the rope in the boat? Click right here to find your answer. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.